Hey, this is Johnny
This is Tracy
with RV SWAT, and today marks 3 weeks left of gate guarding. Only 3 more to go, so we thought we would cover 3 free things to do in South Dakota.
because we love South Dakota.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. We want to welcome our new subscribers. We've had a few subscribers join in the last month or so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button, click the bell if you want notifications so you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video for details or information about our 1,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. So we thought we would cover 3 free things to do in South Dakota, being a lot of people domicile in South Dakota and you're there anyway to get your license. So we figured let's cover some free things to do. Now there will be a link in the description of this video. There's a link to, I think it was the top 20 free things to do in South Dakota.
Yeah, there's a website that gives 20 free things.
So that link will be in the description, and that'll cover 20. But for today's video, we're going to pick 3 of those and talk about them. Alright, so the first one,
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore.
It is free.
It is. Now, you do have to pay for parking at Mount Rushmore, and I think it's $11 a vehicle.
$11 a vehicle. That covers you from the time you buy it through the end of the calendar year that you bought it.
Okay, so $11 for the car, so you bring a carload in for $11. Getting into the actual monument is free, right? We have been there. We loved it.
I cried.
Yeah, Tracy cried. Well, Tracy cried before we even got there.
As soon as I saw it.
Yeah. I don't think we have any videos on Mount Rushmore. I'll have to check the channel and see.
No, there's a lot of pictures. If you're not on our Facebook page, go to our RV SWAT Facebook page because there are a lot of pictures there.
Yep. So I'll make sure there's a link in the description to our Facebook page.
And also our Instagram.
I say there's a trail. We hiked the trail down at Mount Rushmore to get a closer look. It brings you down to the base of the mountain. And then we also went to the museum. We went down to the museum. There's a nightly lighting ceremony at Mount Rushmore. So a lot of cool things to do there. Beautiful area, beautiful monument. We really enjoyed it. And we actually can't wait to go back to that one.
Yeah.
Let's see, what's another one off the free list?
I enjoyed Mount Moriah Cemetery. Johnny didn't go into the cemetery. That's in Deadwood. Now, the cemetery is, you can drive to it, but we decided to walk. We were with our friends Richard and April, and we walked from downtown Deadwood to Mount Moriah Cemetery, and literally it's almost straight uphill. So we were kind of half dead whenever we got there, so we were in a good place to die.
By the time we got to there's a gift shop where you get the map and everything of the cemetery. By the time we made it there, I was just ready to sit down and rest. I was exhausted. So they got the map from the gift shop and went in. Me and Richard stayed behind, and we just sat at a picnic table at the gift shop and had a drink and relaxed a little bit. I had enough walking for the day, so I was like,
Mount Moriah, that's where Wild Bill Hickok is buried there, and Calamity Jane is buried there. They have a great veterans section there. They have a Freemason section there. They have, there's actually, I guess there was a time when a lot of the Chinese were coming over for mining and everything, and there's a section there where there's still a monument. It's really cool. Again, there's pictures of that on our Facebook page as well, but it was really cool.
And let's see, one more free thing in South Dakota would be Wall Drug.
Yeah.
Now, we do have a video whenever we went to Wall Drug, so I'll put a link to that up here. You can check out that video. Wall Drug is kind of hard to explain in a few words.
You have to do it once.
Yeah, you have to go once. I consider it like a quirky shopping. I don't know how else to describe. There's so much there. It's ridiculous how much is there. But there's quirky stuff like my little singing gorilla I liked him. You put a quarter in the thing in the display, and the monkey plays, or the gorilla plays piano and sings. That's in the video.
Some song from like the 50s or 40s or something.
Yeah.
It was really weird.
That's in the video. In the video, Tracy took a picture on top of the big buffalo. I think he sat on.
Was it the buffalo or was it the jackalope?
I don't remember.
I think it was the
We'll have to watch the video too. But check the video out.
It's been a year ago. I don't remember.
Wall Drug was amazing. Wall Drug is one of those places we started seeing advertisement for it probably
hundreds of miles away.
down the road. And we're talking a billboard every 10, 15 miles for 400 miles. And every billboard was
Wall
unique
Drug.
and, yeah, completely different.
Free ice water.
Wall
5-cent coffee.
Yeah. World's only T-Rex dinosaur. Wall
Oh yeah,
Drug.
the T-Rex. I forgot about that.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff. So definitely check out the video. And if you're in South Dakota, getting your domicile or passing through or anything like that, make sure you stop at Wall Drug and experience it for yourself. There's some good restaurants there. Go ahead and grab yourself some lunch. And
They had the soda fountain shop.
yep, there's like 50 soda fountain.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, a lot of good stuff in Wall Drug. So definitely check that out.
We went across the street and had buffalo burgers or something.
Yep. So anyway, like I said, the link and the website, the link to the website, I'm sorry, will have 20 free things to do in South Dakota. So check out the link, see if there's anything else you want to see in South Dakota while you're there. And let's talk about coming up is our 1,000 subscriber giveaway.
Friday we'll release the video.
Yep, this Friday, coming up June 21st. Make sure you tune into the YouTube channel. We will release a video at 11 a.m. Friday morning with all the details for the contest. So
we
there will
hit
be,
our 1,000 subscribers. Yay!
There will be 2 separate contests for the prizes. So Friday we'll discuss all the prizes. We'll discuss all the details to the contest, how you can win, how you participate. All that fun stuff is coming up Friday, so don't miss it. 11 a.m. Be there or be square.
What's the big prize?
The big prize is a platinum 1-year subscription to Work Camper News, workcamper.com.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you tune in Friday, get the details, participate, and be ready to win some prizes. We got good stuff coming up. We'll see you Friday.
Thank you for getting us to 1,000 subscribers.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good one.